So welcome back to the another video of 21 day agency program. In previous video I have shown you which formula to use. I shown you to use this formula, this setup, not this setup. This setup you don't have to use, okay? Right now I will show you when to use this in later, but just follow what I am saying. Okay, see this, I onboard this client and let's see the first ad. See this is the first ad. I created 3, nothing secret, as I shown you there also. Okay, so I created 3. I got around 283 add to cart, and you can see I'm running this in Australia and it's cheap, pretty much cheap, 2.79 add to cart. It's so good. Like we spent it 79 and 19 like high ticket sales, right? Okay, 2.42 ROIs. Okay, it was more than that, but after spending some budget more, we just fused the ads. Okay, so the thing is like you can see the 3 ad set only. Yeah, let me edit. Okay, see this, healthcare plus impulse purchase. Which is this ad? Do you remember? This one, right? Super narrow. Okay, let's check another. Construction, right? Okay, teacher, simple interest, right? Okay, let me show you something more. Let's go into side. If you see that I have created only one ad here, only one ad, not more than that. Why we create one ad? Okay. Okay, just a minute, let me remove this. Okay, where is the ad set? Okay. One ad, in which case I am using this one ad. Okay, when you have mastery, like when you are running ads from long time, okay, and when you know like I have done for business one for any business, like if you are doing for real estate, this is the real estate business 1, this is the business 2, and this is the business 3. Shit, my mouse, what's happened here? Oh, yeah, third. Okay, so when you got your first client here, like a business 1, whatever it is, real estate or dentist, you got this here. Then what happened, you got experience, then you copy paste that business model to here, second business, you get them result, and you know which ad copy is working and which not is working. You copy paste that business, and you know the best ad copy from their business, you copy that single ad copy here on the business, and you got the result, right? Is that pretty much simple? Yeah, it's pretty much simple when you are doing the mastery. This is why I said you, when you do mastery, you will get result in 1 day or 2 days easily. Okay, in what another case we use one ad copy when we want to test. If you have very less budget, like $5 below, in that situation only we have to use one ad copy. Okay, one ad copy to test. Okay, so you will get the massive result. You will know that which is working and which is not working, right? Okay, so like testing one ad copy at a time is like a good way to know, because you will save lots of budget, but you have to do lots of hard work. Like for every time, every 3 days you have to create a new, because you need lots of time also. So I don't recommend this process. Okay, but when you are getting expert, you will understand more on one ad copy formula. But right now I want you to focus on this formula, not on this. Okay, Okay, let me jump again on the ad creatives. Okay, so as you see, I have created only 2 ads, right? Okay, this I was not running like a seriously. This I just run for fun to just excited and started the ads like this. But if you see, I am running 3 ad creatives and I got here 4 and 1 sale, right? How much I spent it? $155, 155 rupees. 565. It's like too much, right? And we got around 5 sales. I think I have to shut down this later. Okay, so thing is what happening here, you can see the 6% ROI here, 6.62, and here it is 1.82 ROI. Okay, it's a similar formula. I have not did anything like a secret at me, and you can see I got 10 sales after running this. You can see the last 7 days. It's like I'm not running this from long time series. It's like around, it's not that series 8 sales. Okay, one more thing, like I got 8 sales, it's not 10. It's a Facebook bug. It's a Facebook bug actually, so I got only 8 sales. So I am running this from last 4 days and I got around 8 sales. Okay, not 10, because when I do lifetime, because maybe some event are mismatch, that's because of that it's happening. Okay, yesterday, today 2 sales. Okay, okay, so what's I want to say you can see I have to create one more ad creative, because I just spent 500 per on this campaign as a CPO. You can see, so I know like 500 is not enough for 3. It's good for 2 here, and for 3 is also good, because I was testing this phase, because I want more budget to spend on this ad. You know what I mean? I have a reason why I not did here 3, because I want more budget to spend. If I create more and more, I cannot test this 2 interest here. Okay, you can see I have targeted Fiverr and freelancer and digital marketing, right? It's a simple interest. Lots of people say you don't like if you target digital marketing, you will not get sales. If you target this, you have to find any hidden interest, any secret interest. They tell some bullshit story about this, right? They tell not to like target broad keyword like this digital marketing, because lots of people are running ads on it. Don't listen to them, that fake theories, because if they don't get result, that doesn't mean that you will not get result. I am getting result from it. I am targeting this huge keyword, competitive keywords. Just forget about them all. Okay, one more thing, if you are targeting this competitive keywords like this, make sure your ad creative and your ad copy is at the highest level, because most of the time if your ad copy sucks, your result will be also suck. So it's not, you cannot blame the interest is not working. It's your ad copy, it's your ad creative, maybe it's your landing page, maybe it's your business page, I mean the sales page. So it's all about the ad creative, ad content, ad copy, copywriting, all the stuff which matters, which depend to get result from this kind of interest, right? Okay, so it is not that you have to find any red interest and run ads on it. Red interest also works more if I copy this and run ads on landing page or any other like Google PPC, I will get result from it. But right now I was just testing the phase. I was just testing the ad creatives, which is working, which is getting more link clicks. Okay, and which is getting sales. Then I will duplicate more campaign like this and I will create more. Okay, so this is just a testing phase which I was using. I will create this now 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will keep increasing my budget. But you're okay, it's pretty much simple. You got when to use one ad copy, because when you have low budget at that time you have to use one only, or like $2 or $5. Okay, but when you have like 500 rupees or 1000 rupees a budget per day, you can use this formula. But most of the time this formula sucks, but it's used for testing the ad copies for one, like it spend 1 day and you are done with the ad copy testing to check the link clicks and add to cart or any checkouts or purchases. I don't recommend this strategy. Okay, see you in the next video.